middle. Heavenly Desserts.
Yeah. Pull up in
This thing looks clean. This thing, bro.
Wait.
Let me read it out.
Hey,
so
bro, the picture is serious.
Wait, first of all, we get a little look at the picture, yeah? We got caramel monkey breads. If it will focus. Cinnamon butter dough, warm apple compote, salted caramel sauce, toasted pecans, Madagascar vanilla gelato. Get the fuck out of here, bro. The calories, are mad.
Yeah.
1.5k calories.
Milk cake.
The fucking fly, knocking it.
Gotta mash that one up.
Yeah, little Biscoff, Oreo and that. Yeah. What? Brother. I'm getting everything in one bite, bro. Oh my days.
The whole sneaker down here.
Look at that.
What the hell?
They put cocaine in this, man. They put cocaine in this. Heavenly Desserts, what's your verdict?
I ain't gonna lie, it's up there, man. It's I'll give it
What's
a
your
9.
rating?
Give it a 9, bro. What I never had
9?
before. Yeah, bro.
No, that's
serious. That's actually serious.
I'm not gonna lie.
That's serious
That
stuff.
might be
Bro,
the best.
I can't lie, let's be real.
It might be the best dessert man's had. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's be real.
So
That's
I'm
quality.
gonna give it a 9.7.